Producer prices of industrial products, domestic sales, October 2023. Minus 11.0% on the same month a year earlier. Minus 0.1% on the previous month. The producer prices of industrial products were 11.0% lower in October 2023 than in October 2022. In September 2023, the year-on-year change rate was minus 14.7%, which is the largest decline compared with the same month a year earlier since the data were first collected in 1949. The development is still mainly attributable to a base effect caused by the very high price level of the previous year. As a result of the war in Ukraine, the producer price increase in August and September 2022, plus 45.8% each from the same month a year earlier, was the highest ever registered since records began. Our Wall Street crybabies want the Fed to stop QT. What we can loosely call our spoiled rotten Wall Street crybabies, hedge fund magicians, investment bankers, bond fund gurus, and whatnot, that got big and fat off the Fed's free money, are now whining and crying and fear-mongering about the Fed's QT. For now, they've homed in on the Fed's overnight reverse repurchase agreements, on RRPs, that were at $2.3 trillion this spring and are now down to $935 billion and will go to near $0, as QT is draining liquidity from the system. Forex Technical Major Pairs Analysis, November 20, 2023. The US dollar index closed bearish on Friday and is only a little away from touching the daily SMA 200 and 103.85. Testing this area will be the focus of traders this week. If the index can maintain the position and bounce from these 2 points, then the situation may turn bullish in the short term. However, if the index immediately falls and closes below these 2 points, then the bearish trend of the index will immediately continue. Senior official, analysts anticipate fresh impetus for Asia-Pacific cooperation. President Xi Jinping's 4-day trip to San Francisco in the United States has steadied the course for ties between the world's two largest economies and injected fresh impetus into cooperation in the Asia-Pacific region, a senior official and analyst said. Xi attended over 10 bilateral and multilateral events, including a summit with U.S. President Joe Biden that spanned over 4 hours, and a banquet with U.S. business executives and citizens committed to promoting bilateral friendship, during which he received a standing ovation several times. Thank you.